Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Please give me a subscribe. Please like this video if you love witchy unboxings, because today I have got Freya's Cauldron unboxing. But before I get into this, I would just like to apologise that I have not uploaded a video for a little while. I got a little bit poorly about a week ago. And didn't feel up to posting anything, and then the week before that I was not feeling 100% myself, and I think that's like the beginning part of me getting poorly, so I haven't uploaded in a couple of weeks, and I do want to apologise for that, and thank you so much for sticking with me. So like I said, today I have got the Freya's Cauldron unboxing, so I'm going to open this up and show you guys what we have. So I've already opened everything up because I did get it like a week ago. I just haven't managed to unbox it for you guys yet, but I couldn't wait to see what was inside. So we have got our normal papers that tell us everything that is in the box. Obviously I won't go into that just yet. I like to share that with you guys. So let's see what other papers we have got this month. We have also got our information on what everything in the box does, and all that jazz. And it looks like this box focuses mainly on the chakras, which is really cool. I haven't done too much chakra work, so I'm excited actually to delve into this box and actually use the things that are in here. So obviously this month we are focusing on Maybon. So this is it number 4? I think this is the 4th card in the collection. I love these cards. They tell you all about the Sabbath. They give you the colours, the gods and goddesses, the symbols, plants and crystals and incense, and it's just absolutely fabulous way of remembering everything, because although we know what all the Sabbats are and things, we can forget because there's so much information. We can forget the little details. So these are great to just look at, and when you're preparing your sacred space for the Sabbat, pull it out, grab what you need. It's ace. I love these. Okay, so the first thing that I saw, and I'm in love with it already, was this chakra necklace. So this is what it looks like. Let me just pop that over there. It's a bit like the bracelets, but in necklace form, and I fell in love with this as soon as I saw it. I've actually worn it to work a couple of times because I loved it so much and felt that I needed it for a little bit of healing. I feel like all my chakras are a bit out of whack at the moment, so I was so excited to get this. It's absolutely beautiful. And we actually got our spell kit. So this month it's actually a jar, so it's a good look spell jar. So you get the little instruction paper here. It tells you everything that you get, how to use it and how to conduct the spell. And then it gives you the things that you need. So there is a green candle, a little jar with a cork. Oh, and I think that's it actually. That's it that's in there, but the herbs that are in the box usually go with the spell kit. So let's have a look at what else we got. So I noticed these absolutely humongous candles in the box. Instead of getting a small pack of candles, we got a huge 3-pack of these massive candles. I haven't actually got holders for this style of candle, so I will have to get something for them. But these are just absolutely amazing. We've got red, white and yellow. Perfect for Mabel. Continuing on with our collection of plaques that we got last month, we have started to get these beautiful candle holders, so you can put like tea lights in there, or you can put herbs in there. And we have got, is this the second one? I believe this is the second one in the collection. And Freya has also said if you start subscribing later when these have already started going out, there is a special section on the shop for subscribers only that can complete their collection. So if you would like to get the ones that you've missed, you can do that, but they are in limited supply, so act fast. But these are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. We also got this beautiful candle holder with the Tree of Life on there. And that is just gorgeous. It doesn't fit the big candles, unfortunately. So I will have to find something that will fit the big candles, but never enough candle holders. I love these. Our candle dressing oil for this month is lime oil. Now, I don't have this yet, so this is a nice addition to my collection. Let me just smell it. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. So I've got so many of these now. I love them all. Freya makes these herself, mixes them up. They are special for Freya's Cauldron. Can't get them anywhere else. Now, we also got this chakra kit as well in here. So it's a crystal kit. So we've got one crystal for each of the chakras. So let me see how good my crystal recognition skills are. So we have got clear quartz, which is this one just here. I'm actually going to put the light on just to show you the crystals. This one here. Please excuse my very, very dry skin. So we've got that one here. Right, so it says we've got amethyst, which is this one here. We also have sodalite, which I believe is this one here. Aventurine, which is this one here. Citrine. Carnelian. And hematite. I didn't do too bad there at all. I was so happy to receive quite a few crystals in this kit. Amazing. And the main crystal, which I was shocked that we got our main crystal still after getting a pack of crystals, but we did. And we got Amazonite for this month's crystal, which is so, so pretty. It's like a minty pastel green colour. It's so pretty. And that's our main crystal of the month. And last but not least, this month we have our two herb packs. So we've got mugwort, which I have got plenty of, but you can never have too much. And we have got sabbat of Mabon, which I will add into my little thing here, which I have just done this morning. Every single sabbat I mix the herbs of the sabbat and oils of the sabbat in here to make a nice incense or potpourri, my own make of potpourri. Mix them together and then it gives off this beautiful smell, and that goes onto my sabbat altar. So I will be adding a little bit of this to it as well. So that's it for this month's Freya's Cauldron. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.